Hello, in this video we will discuss about the brain tumor. So what is the brain tumor? Brain tumor is a growth of cells in the brain that multiplies in an abnormal and uncontrollable cell division due to the genetic mutation. So let's begin to understand the brain tumor. So the grade and types of brain tumor can be classified and how fast they grow, how they grow back after treatment. So how fast they grow and how they grow back after treatment, we can classify the grade 1 and 2 tumor are low grade and grade 3 and 4 tumors are high grade. So this is I am drawing the brain structure and the tumor can be located in the different region of the brain. For example, the frontal tumor, lateral tumor, a back tumor or occipital tumor. Or in this way, the cerebrospinal fluid reduction due to the increase of the size of brain due to the rapid cell division and the cell proliferation will lead to cause cancer, and this tumor can be uh, uh, can be can be uh, move into the brain all time. So the type of tumor can be non-cancerous is known as benign, and the cancerous is known as malignant tumor. So the non-cancerous benign tumor is not too much harmful as compared to the malignant tumor. So the risk factors, any age group, common in older age, and diagnosed each year in UK 11,000, which half is the cancerous while the half is the benign tumor. So the benign tumor is basically is the growth of the cell which that will not proliferate and not move as a malignancy and cannot cause cancer. So here is the sign and symptoms of mental behavioral changes, headache, seizures, fit, nausea, vomiting, memory loss, and personality changes, vision or speech problem. And on the other hand, the imbalance of the posture. And a CRGP if you have these type of symptom. If the GP will not recognize these things, a neurosurgeon will recognize and identify through a brain scan. After the brain scan and identification of the brain tumor, that is the surgery to remove tumor site, and in this way the mechanism we will discuss about these things. So these are the brain which that's contain tumor, and this is the angiogenesis will be occur, and in this way the intra-arterial delivery through intra-arterial delivery of antibodies, chemotherapy, and the viral vectors. So the function of antibody which that collapse the tumor cell due to the against the tumor cell due to the antigen recognition in the lab to produce the antibodies which that collapse the cell and the not outgrowth, and in this way the cell of the tumor will remove. While on the other hand, here is the implanted reservoirs, which that is chemotherapy, which that deliver neural stem cells and CAR T cell therapy, which that will be important for remove of the brain cancer tumor. Anyhow, on the other hand, the laser interstitial thermal therapy, which that is basically increase the heat to remove the tumor cell and the cancerous cell. On the other hand, the convection enhanced deliveries, the chemotherapeutics, viral vector and cytotoxins and radioactive non liposomes which that will introduce, and in this way this is the mechanism for the remove of the brain tumor. So I am repeating again the convection enhanced delivery mechanism which that deliver the chemotherapeutics agent, viral vectors and cytotoxins. The cytotoxin will is a toxin which that kill the cell and radioactive non-liposomes. Non is the nanoliposomes. So thanks here for understanding. So the nanoliposomes. So here is the treatment. Treatment is the steroid after the surgery to remove tumor site. So the treatment is a steroid, radiotherapeutic chemotherapeutic agent which that will use for the treatment, and after the diagnosed steroid prescribed for decrease the swelling around tumor. So the causes and risk factor again I am explaining the radiation, the radiotherapy which that is CT scan, X-ray, which that can cause the brain tumor, while on the other hand the family history and the tuberous sclerosis, the Turner syndrome causes the edema which is a significant cause of patient morbidity and mortality. So anyhow, let's begin to understand the genetic mutation, how the gene will be activated to produce this cancerous cell due to the proliferation of the cell and uncontrolled cell division. So this is the person which that is serving the brain tumor which that contain a cell which that is present, and this is the epigenetic mutation due to the acetylation addition, while the methyl group will be removed from the inhibitor. So the inhibitor will not inhibitor methylation will lead to not inhibit the promoter, so the DNA damage due to radiation, aging, etc., which that will uncontrolled production of p53 protein or TP53, which that gene overexpression due to epigenetic mutation. This epigenetic mutation will lead to cause tumor in the brain. So remember these things. And the activation of oncogene which that will lead to malignant tumor formation, also the benign tumor. But the benign tumor is non-harmful as much as like a brain tumor. This is the malignant tumor. So the malignant neural stem cell can be cause tumor, malignant migratory neuroblast, malignant brain stem cells, and migratory neuroblast. So this all thing is basically here is the cells, and this is the malignant neural stem cell, malignant migratory neuroblast, malignant brain stem cell, and migratory neuroblast, which that is involved for the mutation to lead a brain tumor. And this is the basically the overview of the brain tumor. I hope you make sense about these things. And this is the overview about the benign tumor and the malignant tumor. So the non-cancerous is the benign, while the cancerous is the malignant tumor. So I hope you make sense about these things. If you have confusion, please comment below for understanding more and give the feedback for the creation of this video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Bye.